Hello students. Hello students. So we have finished chapter 2, the human body of our EVS. Okay. We have learned in this chapter about the different parts of our body and their functions. हमने इस चैप्टर में क्या सीखा है? एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स के बारे में हमने सीखा कि जो बाहर दिखते हैं, the parts that are visible to our eyes, they are the external organs, and the parts that are inside our body, they are the internal organs. We have also learned the spellings of these internal and external organs. Okay, and I hope you all have practiced the spellings of these organs. Why? Because you all know that there is going to be a spelling quiz next week. Okay, so we have already learned that the brain helps us to think, the heart, it pumps blood to all parts of body, then our lungs, there are two lungs and they help us to breathe. Stomach, so the food we eat is digested by our stomach. Also, we learned about the muscles and bones in our body. So there are 206 bones in our body, and together they work with what does bones do? What do bones do? They actually give shape and support to our body. And muscles, they are also important. Why? Because the muscles and bones work together to make our body move. Okay. मसल्स और बोन्स जो है वो दोनों ही हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. क्यों? बोन्स यानी हड्डियां. हड्डियां हमारी बॉडी को हमारा आकार देती है और हमें सपोर्ट देती हैं. और मसल्स और बोन्स साथ में मिलके वर्क करते हैं ताकि हमारी बॉडी मूव कर सके. जैसे ताकि हम गर्दन हिला सके, अपने हाथ पैर हिला सके, मूव कर सके, बेंड कर सके, वॉक कर सके. For all those things, our muscles and bones, they work together. Okay. So this is you already have the MTPDF. Now today we will solve it. Okay. So you have to, what is question 1? You have to tick the right answers. इनमें से जो correct answers है उनमें आपको टिक लगाना है. Okay. So number 1, the part of the body inside the head, हमारे सिर के अंदर का जो हिस्सा जिससे हम सोचते हैं, समझते हैं, जो हमारी पूरी बॉडी को कंट्रोल करता है, what is that part? That part is called brain. Okay, our brain controls the entire functions of our body, and it is situated inside our head. Okay, then who pumps blood to all parts of our body? Heart. हमारा दिल, हमारा हार्ट जो है उसका मेन फंक्शन क्या है? टू पंप ब्लड टू ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, देन lungs. How many lungs are there? There are 2 lungs in our body. Okay, and then next comes the food. Like I said, the food that we eat, it goes straight to our stomach. हम जो खाना खाते हैं वो हमारे स्टमक में यानी पेट में जाता है, and our stomach helps to digest it. Okay. So question 2 is match the following. अब आपको मैच करना है. Okay, correct statement को correct organ से आपको मैच करना है. So what pumps blood? अभी हमने पढ़ा कि blood कौन पंप करता है to all parts of our body? Of course it's the heart. हमारा दिल हमारे बॉडी में खून को पंप करता है. Okay, blood पंप करता है. Then what gives shape to our body? Of course they are bones. जो हड्डियां होती है वो हमारी बॉडी को एक प्रॉपर शेप देती हैं. ओके, देन व्हाट कंट्रोल्स आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स? कौन हमारी बॉडी के पार्ट्स को कंट्रोल करता है? ऑफ कोर्स इट्स द ब्रेन. ब्रेन जो है वो बाकी दूसरे बॉडी पार्ट्स के फंक्शन को कंट्रोल करता है. ओके, देन हु हेल्प्स अस टू ब्रीथ? आवर लंग्स. ठीक है, वी हैव गॉट 2 lungs and they help us to breathe. Okay, now let's come to fill in the blanks. Okay, same fill in the blanks हमको fill करने हैं जिनके बारे में अभी, जिन organs के बारे में हमने अभी just पढ़ा. Okay, so the brain dash all parts of the body. क्या करता है? इस fill up the blank पे आपको function लिखना है. अब इस box में आपको 4 choices दी है and you must learn the spellings. Just because आपको choice दी है doesn't mean कि आप spelling learn नहीं करेंगे. all the functions of the body parts and all the names of the body parts, you have to learn their spellings. Okay, so the brain controls all parts of the body. The heart kahan present hai? It is present on the left side of the chest. Okay, then who gives shape and support to the body? Of course, they are the bones. Okay, so bones, they will give the shape to, they give shape to our body, and they also provide support. Then what happens to the food that we eat? The food we eat goes into the stomach. हम जो खाना खाते हैं वो कहाँ जाता है? Of course, that goes into our stomach. ठीक है? चलिए, नाउ कम्स ट्रू और फॉल्स. आपको बताना है कि गिवन स्टेटमेंट सही है या गलत है. सो पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी प्रेजेंट इनसाइड आर एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स. नो, दिस इज फॉल्स. जो पार्ट्स हमारे बॉडी के इनसाइड है, they are called internal organs. Okay, external organs are present outside the body. Then brain pumps blood to all body parts. Of course, this is false. Why? Because we know that brain controls the function of all other body parts, but it is the heart that pumps blood to all body parts. इसलिए ये भी false है. Then food is digested in stomach. Of course, ये तो true है, क्योंकि हमारा पेट जो है वो खाना डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. Then bones give shape to our body. Of course they do. So this statement is also true. Then I drink with my nose. Can we drink with our nose? Of course not. We drink with our mouth. So this statement is again false. ठीक है? चलिए अब next हम देखते हैं answer the questions. Name two external organs. External organs which are visible to our eyes, they are called external organs, which are present outside the body. So you can give example of any two external organs. Here I have given eyes and hands. हमारी आंखें और हमारे हाथ ये external organs है. Now how do the lungs help us? Lungs हमारी क्या मदद करते हैं? Of course, lungs help us to breathe. What help us to move? Our muscles and bones, they work together to help us move. Okay, so students, I hope कि आप अच्छे से इसको एक बार पढ़ेंगे, learn करेंगे, and then if you have books, you can mark in books. Otherwise, if you have copies, then you have to just note down these 3 questions in your copy. Okay, चलिए, now we will come to the last part of your book exercises, and it's very interesting. Let's see what it is. Yeah, see, find the names of the internal organs of your body. तो ये एक puzzle है जिसमें से आपको आपके internal organs के नाम choose करना है. So as you can see, I have already highlighted the names of the those parts, and these parts you have to write the names in the given space. Okay, so it is brain, stomach, heart, and lungs. Okay, brain, heart, lungs, and stomach. All right. Now we all know healthy mind develops in a healthy body, so we must take care of our body. हम कहावत है, क्या है कि स्वस्थ दिमाग के लिए स्वस्थ शरीर का होना बहुत जरूरी है. So we must eat right, exercise, so that our body and mind are healthy. Then we should also care about our posture. हमारे बॉडी का जो posture है, जो हमारा उठने बैठने का तरीका है, वो एकदम सही होना चाहिए. Why it is essential to sit and stand in a right posture, so that we will not have aches and pains. ठीक है, अगर हम सही तरीके से उठेंगे बैठेंगे नहीं, खड़े नहीं होंगे, अगर हम झुक के खड़े रहेंगे, झुक के बैठेंगे या पूरे टाइम लेटे रहेंगे, तो उससे हमारे बोन्स और मसल्स क्या होते जाते हैं? वीक होते जाते हैं. So to strengthen them, to strengthen our bones and muscles, we must exercise and we must always keep our posture right. Okay students, so I hope कि आप लोगों ने अच्छे से ये चैप्टर एक बार रीड किया होगा, and I want all of you to just write the 3 questions in your classwork copy whenever possible. Okay students, have a good day.